In this lesson, we're going to learn about updating your channel description and a couple other things you can do in your description or in your about section. Notice how now on my channel, I updated the YouTube channel art just to get it sort of more on brand if I was creating this channel about how to YouTube. I think that looks a little bit better. Okay, so here we're on our channel. It's pretty quick and easy to change your description. Just click the About tab and then click Add Channel Description. Basically, what your description is text that describes your channel and helps search engines find your YouTube channel. So it's important to include keywords about what your channel topics are. So if you teach about video production and photography, you'll want that included in your channel description, because if someone's searching for that on YouTube, your channel can show up, because not only do videos show up in the results, but also channels. You want your most important information up at the top of your description. This is just general best practice for copywriting. You want what's most important to be at the top, so people who get there are going to read that first. Make sure you add some action words to get people to subscribe or watch. So if there's particular types of videos or playlists or things like that, you could include information on that, or just to remind people to subscribe because you're going to be posting weekly or daily or whatever it is. And then also on here, we're going to be able to add links to our own website, social media channels as well. So this is where you add that description. There is also other information here. You could add an email for your business. So this is cool because if you do have a business, then people are able to follow up with you. And if, for example, you have a podcast or some sort of interview-based video series, then someone might be able to reach out to you if they want to be on your podcast. Including your location can also be important. And then also down here, you have your links. So here you just have different links that you can add, such as your website, your social media. And the cool thing is that these links will then show up as an overlay right here. So if we go to my personal channel, you can see that I have a free trial link, a link to my course pages, a link to my Facebook, a link to my Twitter, and really I should update this for my Instagram account. The one issue I have here is that it takes the favicon, which is this icon here from my website, which is a green, which is kind of hard to see on my channel art background. So that's just something to keep in mind. So for example, I could say website, and we'll just do my own website, philebner.com. We could do Instagram, instagram.com/philebner. Okay, so then we click done. And now those show up as links here. So maybe you want to title this as something like Phil's website, something like that. Done. And now the first link here shows up as Phil's website. And the second one, let's see if we refresh this, if this fixes that up. Let's make sure we have it written out properly. And I realized before, you have to actually include http:// in front of these for these links to work. So if we click done, now we scroll up, you can see that our websites show up here. And then here they show up as little overlays on our channel art, with the first one actually being written out. So that's your most important link. So if you have like a freebie that you're giving away, like I do, or you're just trying to get someone to do anything, use it in that first link spot. So even if we go to our home page, here we have these links. All right, so now's your chance to do all this. Make sure you go over to your About page, add a great description, add your business email if possible, your location, and links to your favorite websites or places you want people to get in touch with you. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next lesson.